A grim milestone in Arkansas today as the state surpassed 100,000 COVID-19 cases. The state added 844 new cases today for a total of 100,441. Active cases dropped to roughly 8,400 today, but hospitalizations jumped another 24 to 637. 14 more people have died as well for a total of 1,728. Washington and Benton counties remain in the top 5 for most new cases.